Hello students, today I am going to discuss addition and subtraction of fractions. So first of all, let us take the very first question, that is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5. So half plus 3 by 5. First of all, you will check out the denominators. Now the denominators are different, 2 and 5. दोनों ही different हैं. Then whenever we are having different denominators, then we have to take the LCM. So let us take the LCM of 2 and 5. First of all, we will start with 2. 2 ones are 2. 5 will be as it is. Then take 5. 5 ones are 5. And 1 will be as it is. Now multiply both the numbers. So what will be the LCM here? LCM will be 2 by 5, that is 10. Now make both the denominators 10. अब दोनों ही denominators को 10 बनाना है. So first of all, to make 2 to 10, the easiest way I am just telling you, 2 को 10 बनाना है. What we will do? We will multiply 2 with 5. अगर 2 को 5 से multiply कर रहे हैं, then we have to multiply the numerator also with 5. So it means it comes out to be 1 by 5 plus. In between plus sign is there, so we will put plus here. Now we have to make 5 to 10. अब 5 को 10 बनाना है. तो 5 को 10 बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? We will multiply 5 with 2. 5 2s are 10. So if 5 will be multiplied with 2, it means 3 will also be multiplied with 2. So it comes out to be 3 by 2. I hope you are getting it. Next step, you will multiply these numbers. 5 ones are 5, 3 2s are 6 divided by 10. So it will come out to be 11 by 10. Now, there are two ways. In 6th class, what we will do? We change it into the mixed fraction. So mixed fraction में change करने के लिए we will divide it. So 10 ones are 10, 1 will be the remainder and 10 will be the divisor. So it can be written as 1 and a 1 by 10. Let us do one more. 3 by 10 plus 2 by 15. Again check the denominators. तो सबसे पहले denominators check होंगे. So if the denominators are same, then you can add the numerators or subtract the numerators. But here it is different. So we will take the LCM. तो यहाँ पे LCM लेना पड़ेगा. Let us take divided by 5. 2. So हमने start 2 से ही करना है. So LCM लेने के लिए we will start with the prime numbers and prime numbers start with 2. So 2 5s are 10, 15 as it is रहेगा. ठीक है. अब उसके बाद 3 से करते हैं. 5 will be as it is. 3 5s are 15. Now both the 5s can be divisible on the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Now multiply these three numbers. 2 into 3 into 5. It will come out to be 30. So what will be our LCM? LCM will be 30. Now you have to make both the denominators 30. 10 को भी 30 बनाना है और 15 को भी 30 बनाना है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं 30. So here 10 will be multiplied with 3. तो 10 को 3 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. Then only we will get 30 here. So if 10 is multiplied with 3, then obviously numerator will also be multiplied with 3. So it will come out to be 3 by 3. In between plus sign. Now here 2 is here and denominator we have to make it to 30. तो 15 को 30 बनाने के लिए we will multiply 15 by 2. तो if 15 is multiplied with 2, so obviously numerator will also be multiplied with 2. So 2 by 2. Now, open the brackets. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4 divided by 30. 9 plus 4, 13 by 30. Now, numerator is smaller than the denominator, so we cannot convert it into the mixed fraction. So, ये as it is रहेगा. Let us do one more of subtraction. अब subtraction में भी वही rule है. You will check the denominators first. तो denominators check कर लेंगे. So denominators are different. So we will take the LCM first. So it will go by table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 3s are 9. Again it will go by 3. 3 1 as it is and 3 ones are 3. So what will be the LCM? Multiply these numbers. So you will get the LCM to be 9 here. Now make both the denominators 9. अब ये तो ऑलरेडी 9 है, तो इसको 9 बनाना है, तो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 3. सो न्यूमरेटर विल ऑल्सो बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद 3. सो इट कम्स आउट टू बी 7/3 माइनस 2 एज इट इज रहेगा, क्योंकि इसे हम किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. 7 3s are 21 माइनस 2/9. अब 21 में से 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. When we are subtracting 2 from 21, we are getting 19/9. Now change it into mixed fraction. तो mixed fraction में change करने के लिए 9 2s are 18, 1 will be the remainder and 9 is the divisor. So we get 2 and a 1/9. I hope you understand it. Let us do one more. Next one is 13/12 minus half. So both the denominators are not same, so we will take the LCM first. 2 and 12. Okay? So 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Again it will go by 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 will be as it is. Then 3, 1 as it is. 3 1s are 3. So the LCM will be 2/2/3. That is 12. Now make both the denominators same. So denominator, that is 12. So here it is already 12. So we will write down numerator as it is. Now we have to make 2 to 12. So 2 को 12 बनाना है. We will multiply both numerator as well as denominator by 6. So 1/6. It will come out to be 6 here. That is 7/12. 13 minus 6/12. That will come out to be 7/12. So you must have noticed one thing here, that see, here we are having 2 and multiple of 2 is 12. So LCM will be the multiple. Same thing you must have observed in third question. 3 and 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So here LCM is 9. So whenever you are getting this type of numbers, then the greater number will be the LCM also. I hope you understand it. And for more these type of videos, you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.